So you're that guy who keeps cracking jokes just to impress his crush, and then she smiles and says, "You're so funny." Hearing that, you start thinking, she definitely likes me. So you go ahead and confess your feelings, and what do you hear in return? "Are you crazy? I see you as a brother." Relatable, right? You're not special, bro. This happens to almost every guy. No matter how much you make a girl laugh, no matter how many compliments you shower on her, she still won't give you the kind of attention or feelings you want from her. But there's a Playboy method that nobody on YouTube has ever openly talked about. Humor mixed with flirting. You've heard of humor. You've heard of flirting. But when you blend the two together, you can make almost any girl obsessed with you. Only narcissistic people know how to use this properly. But to use it right, first you need to know what not to do. Stop being entertainment. For her, stop being her entertainer. Most guys, when they like a girl, start doing anything and everything just to keep her happy, things they shouldn't be doing at all. This pumps up her ego, and she starts living in a fantasy where she's a celebrity. And you're her fan. And guess how she treats you? Exactly like a fan. So you must not become her fan. Become her AC. Cool, calm, controlled. Understanding human attraction. Humans are strange. If you give them everything they want right away, you might become a nice guy, but you'll never become the guy they desire. This psychology works the same for both men and women. You meet her, you make her feel special. She sees you as a good person, and then she friend-zones you. Why? Because your vibe becomes too comfortable. You shouldn't give off that energy, but that doesn't mean you become rude or cold. If you give someone what they want only in small doses, sometimes yes, sometimes no, their mind starts chasing you. To them, you become unpredictable. Sometimes you seem nice, sometimes not. Remember this: the less available you are, the more mysterious you become. And the more mysterious you become, the more attractive you appear. Think about it. Whoever you like, you automatically want to know more about them, right? And that person tells you very little about their life. Sometimes they open up, sometimes they don't. That's what pulls you in. You need to become the same way. But the real question is, how do you become like that? Let's understand that. Talk less, attract more, yes. The less you talk, the more you attract. You'll notice this in almost every narcissistic or extremely confident person. They talk less, yet people want to talk to them more. But you might say, "Bro, when I talk less, no one finds me mysterious. They don't even notice me." There's a huge difference between talking less and oversharing less. Whenever you speak, you end up spilling your entire life story. You release your emotions like a flood. Then it doesn't matter if you talk a little or a lot. The moment you open your mouth, people can sense your desperation. And when you say nothing at all, you give off a depressing, lonely vibe, as if you're lost in your own world. That's not what you want either. You simply need to make sure that whenever you talk, you don't overshare. And whatever you say it calmly and with control. My next video is going to be entirely on how to master this technique step by step. There's no better method for attraction. So subscribe, don't miss it. Humor x flirting. Now let's learn how to actually use humor mixed with flirting. The secret to mixing them is this: you need to flirt in a way that feels funny and a little hot at the same time. But never flirt by only praising her beauty. Don't flirt by saying, "You're so cute," "You're so pretty." That's boring. You need to flirt with the situation. Whatever topic is going on, connect that situation to the two of you together. Or if someone is making tea at home, "Tea is ready, but I want to drink the tea you make." "Why? What, are you going to poison me or something?" Then push the conversation a little further. "Relax, I'm joking. You don't even need to add sugar to the tea. Just dip your finger in it." Right now, it may sound cringe, but when used in the right moment, it hits perfectly. Because between two people, situational lines work best. You're just connecting her into the moment with you. Or you can simply bring up a topic, create a scenario, and then observe where you can tie her into it. But to pull this off, you need guts. You need confidence.